public service announcement. A devastating affliction is infecting modern men around the globe. Experts have labeled this ailment modern single manitis. Symptoms may include incompetence towards man activities, having trouble chopping wood. Do you find yourself nervously trying to overcome the inability to talk to women? How about instant noodle syndrome? Misguided perception of fine dining? Now these may seem like super cool dance moves, but in reality, this is inappropriate public behavior.
But never fear, an antidote is available. Fit Wingmen rediscover the skills necessary for survival. With Fit Wingmen, you can relax, be yourself, your best self. For a Fit Wingman, fine dining and silver service is second nature. Fit Wingmen learn to conduct themselves in public with graciousness and dignity. The elixir for success. Just ask these guys. Fit Wingman, we've got your back.